In this video, I'll show you how to get ultimated money in Resident Evil 4. Check my video description for this cheat engine download link. Double click on the exe and select yes, select OK. Select next, skip all for this ads. Select finish option. Select no, close. And now launch the game. Once you are in game, press the tab key and open the cheat engine and select this, select your process to open. Select the Resident Evil 4 and select open. In value, you need to type the current money you have. It is 651608. Select this fast scan option. Now we need to find the address list, the correct address list. To find this, you need to spend some money in game. To spend some money in game, just alt tab key in get back to cheat engine, and you can able to see a red visible values. Select all those and select this copy all selected items to the address list. Select all using Ctrl plus A and right click and select change record and select value. Now you can type how much money you want. I'm gonna type 10, 9, 3, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once you type, select the OK option and minimize this, get back to the game. To buy, you can able to see how much money we have. Now you can buy whatever you want. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.